In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Woocommerce checkout page when it's not working. Specifically, when you're encountering missing fields and errors, all within a swift 5 minutes. First, let's navigate to the cornerstone of our journey, WordPress.com. This is our go-to starting point for all things related to website building and management. Simply launch your web browser and type in WordPress.com to access the platform. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain full access to your website's backend. Having logged in successfully, direct yourself straight to the WordPress dashboard. This is your control room where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now, let's zoom in on Woocommerce, the heart of your e-commerce operations. To do this, direct your attention towards the settings area on the Woocommerce menu. These settings are where we will resolve the issues with the checkout page. Look for the Woocommerce settings section, which may be tucked within the sidebar of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Next, it's time to delve into more advanced settings. Within the Woocommerce settings page, look for the Advanced tab. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options that might initially seem overwhelming, but don't fret. We'll focus on key areas to ensure everything runs smoothly. Continuing on, you'll need to find the Page Setup section. This is where the essential configurations are housed. Once you've located and clicked on Page Setup, you'll be taken to a section where the checkout functionalities are configured. Navigate carefully through these settings, watching out for any misconfigurations. Finally, find your way to the checkout page settings. This step is crucial because here, you'll confirm that the correct page has been assigned as the checkout page. If the current assignment is incorrect, or if a checkout page isn't assigned at all, you will encounter errors and missing fields during the checkout process. Make any necessary changes to ensure that all selections are precise and reflective of the designated pages intended for use. By following these steps meticulously, you should now be able to correct the issues with your Woocommerce checkout page, ensuring that it operates smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the key to resolving these issues often lies in the settings. Reviewing and correcting them is crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your e-commerce site. Thanks for staying with me through this tutorial, and I hope your Woocommerce checkout page is now up and running perfectly.